Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽. Today guys, I am doing a chip lay. Okay, I got some hot fries in the mini size, I got some duct tape, and I got my scissors. That is all I'm using. If you want to use clear tape, you can go ahead and do that. I am using white duct tape. I took it from the hub. That's all I could get. That's why I saw dirty. He's a mechanic, you know. Anyways guys, okay, so I got the duct tape. I just feel like the duct tape is more durable than the clear tape I have, so I'm working with what I got. Okay, graduation is like about to be like in a few days, so I'm going to make this lay around 60 inches. So I'm going to put the chips aside. I'm going to put 5 on each side. This is super quick guys, super quick. So I got my duct tape. I'm just going to put it across the table like this. And this is for a 5th grader, okay? Depending, you know, it's up to you how big you want this lay to be. So mine is going to be around like 20-25 inches on each side. I'm going to leave space to go around the neck. That's going to be empty. And then 25 more inches or 20 inches on the other side, okay? So I got my mini size chips. These are the ones that you can get like in a 12 pack at Target. Okay, I'm going to just place it right here at the end. Right at the end of the tape, like that. It's stuck on the back, look. Okay, be careful with the duct tape, you know, it's super strong. And I'm just going to go ahead and place them right above each other, like that. I got 4. Told you guys I'm gonna put 5. So I got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna stretch it out. Stretch it out, stretch it out, stretch it out. I'm going to leave around like 10 inches for the neck, and I'm just gonna start stacking the chips again. Be careful with that area. I'm just kind of throwing them off my table, so they're hanging off my table. And now that we're doing the other side, make sure you stack it the right way, okay? They're facing outwards. Okay, so I got 5 on this side. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm going to cut it right at the edge. Okay, so I got 5 facing this way, and I got my 5 facing the other way. So now I'm just gonna put duct tape over this sticky part. Let me measure it. It's about that big. Like that. Perfect. So this is no longer sticky. It's not gonna bother, it's not gonna pull hair. It's good. That simple. So I am done doing the chip lay, guys. This is how it looks in the back. Look at that. It just has a duct tape. It has the end right here for the neck area. Ready to use, guys. Super quick. You can do so many of these, and it's gonna take you less than 5 minutes to do each one, okay? Mine just took a little longer because I'm showing you guys how to do it. But guys, now you know how to do your chip lay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Get to it, guys. Graduation is right around the corner. You can do a chip lay so fast. If it helped you, go ahead and give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe as well if you already did. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.